Ford re-recalls vans. A fix that wasn't fixed. Thousands of Ford E-Series vans are now subject to a second recall because the initial repair for overheating engine covers was never properly implemented for many vehicles. This means a burn risk for drivers and passengers has lingered for years, despite Ford's previous attempts to address it. The problem? Unexpected burns. The issue stems from the design of the engine cover insulation, which can overheat in areas near the driver's and front passengers' feet. Direct contact with these hot spots can cause burns, according to Ford's own documentation. The problem affects 7,046 2021 E-Series vans manufactured between May 2019 and November 2020. The first recall, a paper fix. In December 2020, Ford issued a recall instructing dealers to apply a software update to recalibrate the powertrain management system and reduce heat buildup during idling. However, an internal audit revealed that only 69.71% of affected vehicles actually received the update. The remaining vehicles were incorrectly marked as repaired, leaving thousands of customers unknowingly at risk. This situation underscores a critical flaw in quality control. A recall can be technically complete on paper while failing to deliver real-world fixes. The fact that Ford didn't discover this issue until late 2023 raises questions about oversight and the speed of internal audits. What happens now? Ford learned of the incomplete repairs in November 2023 and is now contacting owners to ensure the software update is correctly applied. Fortunately, the company reports no injuries or accidents have occurred due to this issue so far. This re-recall serves as a reminder that even well-intentioned automotive repairs can fail if not meticulously verified. For affected owners, the inconvenience is clear. Another dealer visit is required to finally fix a problem that should have been resolved years ago.